Hi everyone! I'm here to show you the basic features of Tubetarget, which is a software as a service by Technic-Force. This powerful software as a service gives you Facebook-level targeting for your video advertisements. You can explore niche and narrow down the exact videos and channels that your target market is watching. And as a result, you will get the most targeted audience ever, and they will see your ad while they are actively looking for the product or service you are offering. Users can easily export the targeting in a Google Ad compatible CSV file and have their ads running in less than a few minutes. Now let me show you the features of Tubetarget. This is the dashboard's interface, where all the activities you carried out are shown. Here is the bar chart for the campaign's data and the pie chart showing the total activities you did. As you scroll down, you will see a table for the last 20 keywords you added to your campaign, as well as the last 20 videos and the last 20 channels. At the bottom part is the list of campaigns you made, and when you want to add more campaigns, just click this button. The dashboard even shows you the date and time when you last logged in. Next to the dashboard tab is the keyword finder, which helps you to find tags and add targeting keywords to campaigns which you want to target. Enter a keyword you want to search that you think is relevant for your campaign, and then click search. Then a list of keywords that are related to the one you search will appear here. Here is the keyword column, the Find Videos column, which consists of the YouTube videos with that specific keyword. And when you click the Find Videos button, you will be directed to a new tab here for the videos. The Find Channels column for the YouTube channels with that keyword. Then click Find Channels to see what channels are having this keyword. And here is the Campaigns column, which consists of the campaigns you made. If you want to see the keywords alphabetically, just click here and choose Alphabetical, then click Go. Now to select a keyword you want to add to your campaign, just click the box on its left, or if you want to add all the keywords, you can check this box, then click the Add Selected button. Next option is the Videos Finder, which finds monetized videos using keyword matching results. To use this, just enter a keyword or keywords here, then click Search. Now as you can see, here is the list of the videos on YouTube which contain the keyword you just searched for. Here is the column for the video's thumbnail, the title of the video, the column for your campaign, and even showing you the number of views, likes, and comments per video. And if you want to look at the results based on views, likes, or comments, you can click the drop-down arrow here and choose how you will sort it, then click Go. To add videos to your campaign, just click the boxes on the left side for your selected videos, or click the top box here beside the number sign if you want to include all these videos to your campaign. Then click Add Selected button. The fourth option is the Channels Finder, which helps you to find channels using the keyword which you want to target. Again, enter a keyword or keywords here, then click Search. Now as you can see, here is the list of the channels which contain the keyword you just searched for. And here is the column for the video's thumbnail, the name of the channel, your campaign, and here is the number of subscribers of that particular channel. To view the results based on the most number of subscribers, just click here and choose Subscribers, then click Go. To add channels to your campaign, just click the boxes on the left side for your selected channels, or click the top box here beside the number sign, then click Add Selected button. You can also search for the information of a particular YouTube video here in the YouTube Video Info Finder. To search for video, you must first go to YouTube and get the video URL there. Just click the Share button below the video, then click the Copy button. Once copied, paste it here on the video URL box in Tubetarget, then click Find. You can see information of that video such as the title, thumbnail, video link, when it was published, its channel title, its tags, its views, likes, comments, and the description of the video. Then to find the videos on a particular channel, go to the Channel Videos tab, just paste the channel URL here and click Find. Then all the videos within that channel will appear here. Again, you can see each video's number of views, likes, and comments in each column and sort it according to how you like it. You can add these videos by checking the box on the left side of each video and add it in your campaign by clicking the Add Selected button here. Then here in the Campaigns tab, you can see the campaigns you created and where you can add another campaign. As you can see, I already have a campaign here. Here is the campaign's name, the number of keywords, videos, and channels that I added in the campaign. And I have the option to delete it by clicking this button. Here is the Export button for exporting the data in a CSV file. Just click on this button and your data will automatically be downloaded into a CSV file. If you're going to add another campaign, click the Add Campaigns button here and you can put in your desired campaign name and the description. Then click Create Campaign. That is how the amazing and powerful Tubetarget works.